Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Backbenchers Classroom. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your laptop internet connection to other devices like mobile, laptop or PCs. And this video is especially creating for those who doesn't know anything about computers and using Windows 11 for the very first time. Guys, this video is going to be very easy. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, to share internet data from laptop to other device, we have to activate or enable its Wi-Fi hotspot first. Okay, in Windows 10 we can access Wi-Fi hotspot from this section, but here there's no Wi-Fi hotspot option or icon present. So let's open the setting. Okay, now go to network and internet option and search for mobile hotspot, which is this way. Okay, now simply you can click it wherever you want to open its properties, or simply click here to turn it on. Okay, to open, click anywhere from this bar. Okay, now as you can see, here is the name of your laptop Wi-Fi and here is the password. You can simply edit and replace those name and password, as well as you can change its bandwidth. Okay, network band here available is 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. Choose whatever you want. Simply turn it on and enjoy your internet to other devices. And if you want to access the Wi-Fi hotspot from here, you can simply click on this icon and go to the add option. Now click mobile hotspot. Okay, and then click on done button. So guys, here is your Wi-Fi hotspot icon, quick access icon. From now on you can simply enable or disable it from here. Okay, so guys, if you like this kind of videos, so please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and please share this video. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.